Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to run a carousel ad campaign on Facebook. So some people don't know exactly when we talk about carousel, they don't know what carousel is. So let me show you a typical example of what a carousel ad campaign looks like. So for carousel, it is the type of advert where you have 2 or more images up to 10, where they can scroll side by side. You have a description at the top, then it shows you have the pictures showing, it could be pictures or videos. How do you actually create a carousel? So you come and then click on, so those who don't know how to get to the ad manager, log into Facebook by going to facebook.com, then you click on the ad manager, it brings you here. When it can, maybe if you don't want to use the existing ad account, just click on use the one you want to choose. So you click on create, and then you come and select your objective. There are many advertising objectives for those of you who want to do WhatsApp related ad or Messenger. This is it. But if you want traffic to your website or sales to an e-commerce website where people can buy directly, you can choose this. Or leads, if you want people to follow from, choose this. For this advert, I'm choosing engagement because I want people to WhatsApp me. So when you look at engagement, it says great for or good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So I'll click on continue and then click on manual setup. Don't choose this one because this is the default. So you choose manual so that you can put the settings you want to put there. Then come and give your ad campaign a name. So for this one, I want to just name it demo ad. So it's just let me make it carousel demo ad, carousel demo ads. Then you click on next. Then when you get to the ad set level, you come and then you take WhatsApp. I normally want WhatsApp, I don't want Messenger. So I'll take WhatsApp. Then I'll come here and choose this particular page. So after choosing the page again, it is still asking me to select the messaging app. Okay, so you select the app you want. I want the WhatsApp, the messages to come to me on only WhatsApp. So after you do that, you come and choose the performance goal to be maximum number of conversations. So the difference between the two is that this one you will get more clicks, but this one you will get clicks that will actually people who likely to WhatsApp you that will click rather than just clicking. Okay, so you come and choose your budget. So for this one, I want to do $5 a day. Then the date, I want to make it up to the end of the month. Then you come to the audience. Recently, they have introduced changes to the audience where you can now put audience controls. You put the location and the rest, you allow the system to use advantage plus audience for you, where they will choose the audience for you. I don't really want it because I have an audience I have manually set up. So I will click to switch to original audience options. So when you click on that, you click on use original audience. So this is the best because with this one, you can come here, choose your audience, choose your age, choose the gender. But the other one, the advantage plus creative, they will not allow you to choose anything. They choose everything for you. And sometimes maybe your advert is for only males, but Facebook will show you to females and vice versa, which will not be the best for you. So you set up everything the way you want it. Then you come and click on save audience. So if you do that, if you already have an audience, an existing audience, you click on use saved audience, then I am choosing this particular audience. So I'll choose it, and then I'll come scroll further and come to the placement. The placement again, we have advantage plus placement. I don't want that. I want manual placement. With the manual placement, you can choose where you want people to see the advert. So I want them to see it on Facebook and Instagram. I don't want audience network. So you choose the places where they should see the advert. For the app, the messages and app insight, the messages here is the messenger, app insight is the audience network. They are not good because audience network will show your advert outside Facebook, which is not that effective. Those are always independent app developers who partner with Facebook to show the advert on their platform. They are not effective, so don't choose it. So after that, you click on next, then you come to the ad level. At the ad level, you come and then choose. We have single image or video, and we have carousel. And once we want carousel, you come and click on carousel, and then you click here, add image. So you add the image you want to be the first one. So for me, I want to go to the page. If you want to upload new images, you click on upload. If you want to take pictures from the page, you go to the page and take it. I want it to be on, let me just check the page I chose. I want it to be, okay, for now, let me use that particular page I selected. And then I'll choose this one. So if you are doing carousel, make sure the pictures are squares, or at least if you get 1080 by 1080 images, it's okay. Then I'm adding this one. I'll click add again. I'll add this one. You can keep on adding and adding and adding. If you want more, if you want to add videos to, you can do that. Just ignore this one because I have an outstanding payment. That is why they're showing me this particular message. But it's not supposed to. It's not a problem. If I clear the payment, it will not show again. Now, you will see after you upload the pictures, you will see it appearing here like the way this one is. Then you need to just add your primary text. So I'm going to copy some message and then come and place it. So it's just a sample message I'm putting there. Just a sample message. So you put the headline here that describe whatever you are doing in the pictures. So this one is just a sample. It may not relate to what is here, but don't worry much about that. Just look at the format of how to do it. But if you are doing the actual advert, make sure what is here is describing what is in the pictures. Then you can also add headline. So the headline, I want to add numbers. So I want to tell the people to call us. Call, then I'll add a number there. Okay. Again, this one is a sample number. So you can click on apply and it will apply to all the images. If I also want to add a video, so just click on add video. So let me see if I can get a sample video to add. So make sure that if you're adding a video, the video should be at least a square. If not, it will not work perfectly. Most of the videos here are not squares, and it's difficult to get the one I want. Okay, but just make sure that you have a square. If you have a square, when you add it up, it will just appear properly the way it's supposed to be. Then you can also add something to the bottom of the call. The call is this. You can add something to the bottom. So by that, you can make it something like maybe if the training has a fee and I want to add that fee there. So let me say 500 Ghana cedis. Again, you can also apply that to all of them. However, if you don't want to apply to all of them, you can come and manually put the figures there. So you see the figure is there. Whatever I put there will show below here. Then after that, if you are done with everything, you just click on publish. And when you click on publish, your advert will start running. For this one, as I said, this other account has an outstanding payment. So when I click on publish, for now, that's why the button is not clickable. But if you don't have any outstanding payment, you will not have any problem here. Very good. As you can see, it says account unsettled. So if you follow this particular procedure, you'll be able to publish the ad campaign and it will run to showcase whatever product or service you have. If you follow this process and you need any, you are not able to do it, you can leave your comments in the comment section. If you need any help, let us know. I run effective ad campaign for clients to help them get a lot of customers and make more sales. And you can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact us for more. But we charge to offer those services and they are not for free. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.